Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about network security. Basically, while working on the internet, the network security is a major concern. The problem encountered under network security are as follows: physical security, software security, and inconsistent usage security. Physical security referred as tampering of the password and other security measures which you have used on your computer by the unauthorized people. Software security means a software which is doing some illegal work or it is designed to perform your system corrupt, that comes under software security. Inconsistent uses means it is the administrator issue, means it allow you to restrict a user to access the network or to internet and other services to a limited time. Protected measures for network securities are authorization. Authorization means providing a login ID. Authentication means providing a password. Encrypted smart card. Actually, these are the smart cards as we can consider that like it's a ATM card or debit card. When we insert them into a slot, it provides us access to enter the network or to any other device. Biometric system. There are many biometric system through which you can recognize a authorized person like fingerprint, retina, face recognition, etc. Firewall. Firewall is a software which restricts unauthorized user to access the network. There are several types of firewall techniques such as packet filter, application gateway, circuit level gateway, and the proxy server. Gateway is a hardware in which firewall can be installed, and gateway can connect multiple networks having different architecture and protocols. So, by using these security measures, you can protect your network and unauthorized use access. Now, the term cookie. Cookie are the messages that a web server transmit to a web browser so that the web server can keep track the activity of the client. Basically, cookies are sent by the web server to customize the web pages according to the requirement of the user. It keeps tracking the activity of the user, कि what pages the user is browsing and its interest and other important things which can help us to customize the web pages. Now the important terms: hackers and crackers. Generally, hackers are the people, rather they are the programmer which design the codes and the software to harm your secure system. Basically, they break down the secure system and do the destructive work. Hackers are the programmers which steal your information and they use the information for their benefits. In simple words, we can differentiate between hackers and crackers is that hackers are thief, whereas crackers are we can say terrorist. Means hackers, they steal your information, they are thief, they steal the information from your secure system and they use that information for their benefits. Whereas crackers are the people who break down your secure system and they damage the important information present on the websites and other secure systems. Cyber law. Cyber law is provided by the India to protect against the cyber crimes. Information Act, Information Technology Act 2000 provides many security and we can say many legal measures to protect yourself against cyber crimes. IPR issue. IPR issue refers to the intellectual property right issue. Basically, it deals with the copyright, patent, industrial design rights, and other things which protects your intellectual property. These rights are granted by the law to protect your intellectual property, means your misuse of your intellectual property.